Everybody, my name is Raz. I'm speaking from American Institute, and today actually I have been taking a topic that is offline shopping versus online shopping. So they guys are supporting offline shopping, and they guys are supporting online shopping. So let's start the video. And guys, you must watch the video because you can learn something from the videos. They guys are going to share their experience because they have done online and offline as well. So learn something with the help of the video. Now we are going to start from Soeb sir. Please sir start.
Hello everyone. My first topic is if you purchase online, then you have no more experience to what is the cost of clothes and what is the quality of cloth. And you purchase offline clothes, then you will firstly check the clothes, what is the quality of clothes and what is the and my second point is you will purchase online cloth, the rate is fixed, and you will purchase offline clothes, then you will get some discount. It's my point.
So good morning everybody. So this is Aman and now I'm going to support online shopping. According to me, online shopping is better than offline shopping because there are many advantages of online shopping. So first of all, I'm going to discuss like if you want to save your time, so according to me you should purchase by online. There are many advantages of online, like if you want to save your time, so it's a first. And if you want to not wasting your time, and if you want to go like to market for purchasing anything, if you have got cell phone, then visit the Meesho, Flipkart. There are many online applications and purchase it. And if you don't like this product, so you can return also. There are many advantages of online according to me.
So you said that online is better than offline, but I'm not agree with that because if you are doing shopping online, you have many options, but you don't get a chance to negotiate with them. And if you are doing offline shopping, you have a chance to negotiate with them about the price. You can check the quality of the cloth, and also you have experience about shopping offline, and you can meet many persons with them, and you can go with your friends or family to enjoy some time with them. Like if you are doing online shopping, you are free on the home and you are just purchasing something, but you go to offline stores, you will go with your family and you will have some quality extra time with them. And so this is the benefit of the offline shopping in very lower basis.
I am supporting online shopping because today's generation everyone is active in mobile phones. So and most of people which have no time for purchasing anything, then they can purchase easily in online, like Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart, and many apps available in digital. Okay, that's my point.
Also Mike.
Ma'am, you told me if a person have no time, then ma'am you will purchase shopping for online, then the cloth was come in 1 day, 2 days. Suppose that you have went to a party, you go to party for 1 hours, then will you purchase for online? Firstly you will go market, you don't have time to, then you will go market and purchase a cloth for 10 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's my point, sir.
Sir, actually I agree this point, but actually it's my opinion. If you want to need anything, so firstly already I will have to go after 2 days, and after 3 days I will have to participate in party. So you should purchase before 2 days and 3 days. You have got option. And before some time sir was saying that actually if you want to check like quality anything whatever you were saying that, So sir, actually everything is provided in the description box. You can check everything, whatever you want to like know about the clothes, everything. If you want to purchase online, so it's everything is provided there. And you have got an option like if you don't like this product, then you can return one time, three time, four times, many times.
Okay, but there are many examples in the society who are scammed by the online stores. Many of the persons, they order something and they get something. After that, there is some policy that we cannot accept or return your order. So in that case, in that case, customer will be not satisfied by that product. And after that, I would like to say that if you are shopping offline in offline stores, firstly you are supporting your local market, your in your locality, but you are supporting online education. You are supporting, like if you are shopping from Amazon, it's most the profit share is going to the Amazon company that is out of our nation, that is from USA. And if you are shopping from any local stores, from local market, you are supporting our culture, I mean our locality, and you are not giving profits to another country. So this is the main point if you are shopping online offline stores.
Yes sir, I agree this point, but actually let's suppose you have purchased anything like your local society and shop, any offline, like let's suppose you have purchased and you don't like this product, you don't need, unfit, and this size is not good. So if you want to return, then your product will be returned after 2 o'clock, after 3 o'clock. If you want to like return within 1 hour, 2 hour, then you don't have option sir. You have known already. If you want to return your product, so you can't return within 1 hour and within 2 hours. But if you want to purchase, if you have purchased by online, so you can return anytime around the clock.
But you said that you can return in within 1 or 2 hours on online, but I don't think so, because if you are returning on Amazon or Flipkart, at least you have to give them 24 hours. If you are returning today, they will come out. If you are exchanging something, it will come after 4 or 5 days. And if you are returning, it will may come to tomorrow or day after tomorrow. After that, they will return something.
Sir, actually, you couldn't understand whatever I wanted to say you. Sir, actually, I said that if you want to return any product, so you can submit your request. I want to return this product anytime. I'm not saying that if you return any product, then your product will be picked up within 1 hour and 2 hours. You can submit your request like anytime, and your product will be picked up after 24 hours. I was saying that.
So you are saying that I understand that, but if you don't have 24 hours of time, you can go to the store, and if you have friends with them, they can easily return your product. And you are saying that there is a time period of that. So this is the benefit. If you are like in the morning, there is a shopping period of time. If you return something, then you can go. You have a time that you can go after 2 o'clock, and they will return it. And after that, there are many good qualities. If you don't like that product, you can return or exchange in something. And you said that you can return on online, but if you are going for offline shopping, there are trial rooms, in which you can check the quality or fit size of your cloth, and so you don't need to be returned after that.
Yeah sir, actually I can't do this type of activity, like I can't check, because after delivering then I can do anything. But we have got an option after checking it. If you don't like, so you can return. There are many options sir.
But sir, suppose that you go to someone and you will purchase online, and your product was came. After that, you went to a party, attending a party, and you will check your shirt, and shirt was not fit. What will you do, sir? Do you have any options, sir? Please tell me.
Manvi,
Speak much.
I'll kill you.
Speak something.
Take a mic.
Speak something. Whatever you have got, sir.
But everything is not available in market, and I think everything is available on online store. So online store is good other than offline store.
The question you got, but he said that
Yes.
if you are ready for the party and you purchase any clothes which is not fit for you,
He can
what will you do?
he can purchase दूसरी शर्ट हाँ he can हाँ then he can purchase
I will say na offline shopping is
If you are
best.
saying that
no on offline shopping
What will you
is
do? Yes. How will you tackle the situation?
Sir, actually, I request you please repeat your question because actually I couldn't understand. What do you want to ask me?
Sir, suppose that you go to party and you will purchase a shirt for online and shirt was not fitting you. Then what will you do, sir? Tell me.
At the same time,
At the same time, sir.
Actually, sir, I agree this point, but actually I have got like 3 and 4 shirts. I can change, sir. I can wear other shirts, sir.
But sir, you purchase this shirt and this shirt is your favorite shirt. Then what will you do, sir?
it's party wear.
It's party wear, sir.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I told you many of the times I have got other shirt and I purchased it. That was my favorite shirt. I can wear, sir. And I will raise the complaint, sir. I want to return this product.
But sir, I told na, suppose that you went to someone and the party code is black shirt and black pant. Then you will purchase online shirts and the shirt was a very loose for you. Then what will you do, sir? And suppose that you have not black shirt. Tell me, sir. What
Sir,
will you do?
I will get my shirt fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then why?
Sir, I'll go to tailor and I'll fit my shirt.
so that is the offline store, no? So tailor,
That's why
if you
I
are
am
going
saying na.
for a tailor, this is the offline. Na, you have to go. And why can't you go to shop offline if you can go to tailor shop?
Then firstly you will purchase shirt for 400 500 and you will go for tailor and you will give a extra pay money. Then you waste your time, na, sir. That's why reason I am saying you will go for local market and you will purchase shirt. Yes, sir.
I want to
Please,
speak something about it. Sir, actually, I want to give an example. Yesterday, I went to purchase a shirt, but actually, I checked that shirt, but actually, I couldn't wear because actually the shirt was loose
So you purchase shirt online or offline?
offline. That was my mistake because actually I purchased only by online, but actually I went to shop for purchasing shirt, but actually there was no shirt for my size like a S. So what should I do? I should purchase online, and I purchased online yesterday.
Then firstly you will go and
Yeah, firstly, yeah,
you
sir.
will go and
Yeah, firstly I went. So sir, actually I don't have more time. I will have to go other shop. Like this shop is not product, so I will have to go other shop. So I don't have more time, sir.
So she said that there are a lot of options in online stores. But I would like to say that, like take an example of any big brand like Adidas, Puma, or any big brands, Louis Vuitton or something like that. If they are launching any new product, they firstly launch in their offline stores. After 1 or 2 years, when the demand of that product is decreased, after that they launch it on online stores. Like if you want any good product, any advance that is just came to the market, you have to go to offline stores if you want to purchase that trend. So online stores provide that product after 1 or 2 years.
Sports will be superior always.
I want to speak something. Speak, ma'am. Something.
speak, ma'am.
Whatever you have got, so you can speak.
Yeah.
Without
You are second.
But sir, if you purchase online, then you have some discount. Then you purchase offline, you have in any brand, then you have no discount for any products.
No,
Products.
ma'am. Ma'am, you will go offline shop na. Then ma'am, you
But
will go offline shop. Suppose that you have purchased shoes for like Bata, then you will give a discount like 20%, 80%, 12%, ma'am. Then what will you do, ma'am? Sorry, what are you talking?
Sorry, it's my mistake.
Actually, I don't agree this point. Okay. There are, sir, if the Holi is around the corner, let's suppose, so discount will be given more, like 30%, 20%. But if you go like offline, so the more discount is not given, because actually that is a fixed price, written like 40, 30, 100 bucks. It's a fixed price every year, every time.
Sir, suppose that you tell me rate is fixed. In in online shopping is rate is fixed. You will purchase a shirt at 499. You will purchase something. Its rate is fixed, sir. Na? He will know. He will not give.
I have
I will
answer.
complete my question. Then you will ask.
I have proof and I have.
Sir, I know you will prove it. But suppose that, sir, you know, if company was discount you, the quality is not good.
It's fixed.
For you will purchase shirt for anyone.
Notice one.
Also, sir. Also,
No, it's
sir,
just
discount
explain that.
30% and 25%.
It's
But if you go and
you should tell them, no? You should tell them.
yes, sir.
Why we have this proof and
But sir, please trust on my talk. Whatever I'm saying right, sir. I have got a proof. Discount provided by offline is better than online, better than offline. Yeah.
Sir, okay, my next point is, suppose that you have purchased a new LED bulb in your home, sir, and he will guarantee it for 1 year. Suppose that LED was broken down, right, sir? Then what? Then you will replace, na? Then how many time will LED was replaced? Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, after 24 hours, product will be picked up. So, sir, let's suppose if you purchased by offline. So, if you go like the shop,
Yes.
so the shop is closed.
Then I will.
So, what will you do?
Then I will call the shopkeeper. Please open your shop and replace my LED light. Then what will you do for offline? Online shopping, sir.
Sir, only for one bulb, they will not open your shop. They have got a important work. After 2 days and 3 days, they will open their shop. Then what will you do, sir?
Okay, sir. Then I will go to second shop and I will purchase for new
New.
LED light.
Yeah.
Yeah. And suppose that you will online purchase this shop. What will you do, sir? Then he will replace for 1 hour and 2 hours, sir.
Yeah, actually, sir, I'll purchase.
2 hours, sir.
My product will not replace, but I'll purchase other
Then offline purchase, na?
online, sir.
Online. Okay, sir. Tell me by online purchase. Then how many time your LED was come? Tell me, sir.
After 1 and 2 days.
1 and 2 days, na?
Yeah.
And you will purchase for other shop. Then you will sir, purchase
On the
LED
spot.
on the spot for one hours, 2 hours. Like, then it's my point, sir. Offline shopping is best. Online shopping is not best, sir.
But sir, I don't agree this point, because actually there are many advantages of online.
Then you will told me, na, sir. You will fan is out of order and you will purchase online. Then fan was out of order. Then what will you do, sir?
I'll purchase next, sir.
Next time, na?
Yeah.
Suppose there is too much humidity in
Yeah.
your house.
Yeah.
Then purchase fan is out of order. Then what will you do, sir? You will replace your fan online, na? Then
Yeah.
fan was come after 1 day, 2 days, right, sir, na?
then
Yeah.
how will you sleep?
Then how will you sleep, sir?
Actually, sir, I have got other fan.
Other fans
I'll install. Yeah.
install, na?
Yeah.
Then you will purchase online.
I have got, sir. Already I have got
So
at my home.
it's not possible.
It's possible, sir.
Sir, I will. Okay, sir. You will suppose that.
You have got only like a one fan.
No, I have fans, sir.
Yeah.
But suppose that you will live in
What about a middle class person who don't have
Yeah.
too much fans while living in a rented house in
Yeah.
1 or 2 rooms?
That's only.
Yeah,
then
but
that-
There are many cases not everyone can have
sir,
10
there.
or 20,
If,
sir, not everyone
Excuse
can
me.
get 4 or 2 fans.
yeah, I agree this point. Speak something, then.
After I will speak.
Like any technological equipments you are purchasing, like something you want to purchase laptop, and you don't have a very good knowledge about that knowledge. So if you are purchasing online, there is a description box, but you don't know if someone is there to understand you, make you understand that what is the benefit of having that 8 GB RAM or SSD. There are written on the disclosure, but they will not tell you what is the use, what is the benefit of that. And if you go to the offline, they will describe everything about that product, what is the benefit of, what is the use of SSD, and what are the and you can also exchange the product if you don't like the product after 1 or 2 days. There are some warranty and guarantee period of that product, but in online stores there can be a defective product and you cannot return to that.
Let's suppose, sir, you have purchased anything by offline. So how many times can you return? Like 1 times and 2 times and 3 times. But if you want to return like 4 times, then you can't go that shop, because actually you felt like you felt same, because actually you have already bent their shop number of the times. So but if you purchase anything like by offline, so you can return many of the times, 100 of the times you can return within 1 week.
So you are saying that you will return 4 or 5 times. So firstly, you don't have a good quality of purchasing something.
Yes.
If you are if you like the black color shirt and you are returning again and again, like there are some sizes like small size, medium size, extra large, large, that are 4 or 5 sizes. So if you are purchasing M size, then you have to again purchasing M size. Then how many times you will return that, and why would you do that?
Actually, sir, you were saying that I purchased a laptop. I'm not talking about a cloth. Yeah. So you don't know like the laptop is good or not. After 1 week and 2 week, the laptop is broken. Like the laptop is not working properly. Then you bent the shop. Then again after coming the shop, then you bent again. Then how many times will you return and will you talk about the?
If you purchase a laptop offline, so there are 2 responsible person behind that. Firstly, the owner of that shop and the service center. If you purchase online, then you have to only go to the service center. There are number of people in that store who comes with their defective product. And if you are shopping offline, there are 2 persons. Firstly, if there is a minor defect in that laptop, the shop owner can also fix that. And if there is any major defect, you have to go to the service center of that product.
To buy a Lenovo 8 GB RAM and 512 SSD laptop, but the shop has not available. Laptop is not available in offline store in this Lenovo. We can say that online store is good.
Ma'am, you will go to. Ma'am, you went to shop. You visit in 1 shop, na ma'am? 3 shop. Where, ma'am? Like KGN Computer.
Computer and
Okay, ma'am. Okay, you visited, na? Then shopkeeper, what shopkeeper tell you, ma'am?
present time this switch is not available in this Lenovo.
Okay, ma'am. Then you will purchase laptop for online. You will purchase or not? You will not purchase, na?
Because I have no time.
You have?
No time.
Okay, ma'am. You have no time. Ma'am, you told me I am learning in Lucknow. Okay. Then you went to Lucknow and purchased Lenovo. What is the name of computer? Lenovo. Lenovo, na? Lenovo is brand. Then, ma'am, you went to Lucknow and purchased more than laptops and more qualities in offline shopping.
But the shopkeeper has said
In Barabanki se na, you went to Lucknow, na ma'am?
in
And
these
laptop?
features is not available in this laptop in Lenovo. So
So you will purchase all online, ma'am?
Sir, actually, I have a query for you. So actually, most of the blazers, belongs to like a blaze, and they don't have a bike, and it's like a, for example, it's my village and it's 30 kilometer from my village. If you want to purchase anything, so you will have to like 30 kilometers from their house, so they don't have bike. And if they go ask the bikes, sir please give me your bikes, I will have to go to shop for purchasing anything, so only one time and two time. So they have got a option like buy online. Everybody have got a cell phone, they can purchase like online.
But there are many areas in our city where online shops are where online shopping cannot be done. Like there are not networks in the phone, there are not a good quality connection, and even the Flipkart and Amazon, they don't provide service over there.
Yeah.
So in that case, you have to come to the your nearest shop in that locality, whether it is 20 kilometers or 30 kilometers. If you have to go, because there are not option of online shopping online.
So sir, you will told offline shopping is best, na sir?
Of
Village areas.
point of me, there is a rate. So you are supporting online shopping, and there is a there is a drawback of that if you have an app of Amazon or Flipkart, there are many examples in which the child in your home who took your phone and order something, that is like order something of 1 lakh 2 lakh. There are many cases come in news that because of online apps, they do shopping online by their father's credit card, or they know the pin of that card, they use card or credit card or debit card, they use and they purchase something, and their parents didn't know about that. So this is a drawback. Your child can be bad in future, like this is like something is stealing from your parents. This is
Yeah, sir. Actually, I agree this point, but actually,
Thank you so much.
even no, sir, I don't agree. Only,
Okay.
actually, he was saying right, but actually, I agree this point. But actually, I have got a many advantage. Like they purchase anything, so they have got a option. They can return. Even then, they can return, sir.
some products don't have a return window.
Yeah.
Like there is a discussion in that online, there is a return of 1 or 2 days. Like some of the products, like some product like clothes, some type of clothes, that you don't get a chance to return that. If you purchase that, you have to purchase it. There is a open box delivery nowadays. Still, if delivery person came to your house and you open that box, you accepted, you give them OTP, you cannot return that at all.
Yes.
In that case, how will you tackle that situation?
So, sir, now I want to finish this discussion because actually I agree this point. Offline shopping is better than online shopping. I agree this point.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Okay, that was very fabulous discussion among them guys. I learnt a lot by them, and by the way, I would like to tell you guys that they have been completed their 1.5 month in American Institute, so they are going for the group discussion. So obviously they have done some kind of mistaken over here. So at initial stage, if you are going to start something, so mistakes it happens guys. So don't actually get the disappointed by that. You can learn something by the video, and obviously if you're watching my video and if they are doing any kind of mistakes, please it's my request that you can comment it and just tell that what kind of mistakes they have done. And if you learn something, please tell them in the comment box. Please, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you guys.